Hi, Matt Brulette here with MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the 2022 245 dual console brought to you by Sailfish. As you can see, plenty of room right here in the bow. This boat actually comes with the most seating in its class. We'll get to all the different seats in a minute. But quick, right under here, you can see you got two self-draining coolers. Put some beverages, some deli meat, maybe catch of the day. There's also a bracket that you can put a nice table up here if you want to hang out, at the bow. Comes with your windlass anchor. As we make our way through, you're going to see I can actually block off the wind with this, put over the massive windshield. You're going to be protected by all the elements. Under here, that table I was talking about is going to be stored right there. As easy as this went, it's going to close just as easy. As we make our way to the helm, nice bolster seat right here. This is going to be coming with the Garmin chart plotter, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth and Sirius satellite radio. Right here is going to be your Mercury vessel view. This boat actually comes with a V8 300. This boat is pushed very well, very capable. You could do a lot of fishing on this. It's also very family friendly. Right here, as you can see, you got a nice little utility center. Comes with a sink, another little cubby for ice. You want to make some sandwiches right here. You want to cut up some fish, your bait, anything you want to do, because this is family friendly and fishing capable. We'll get to those seats I spoke about. You can pull this out. Pull this out. I mean, there's just a ton of room to entertain, to hang out. This actually port side seat turns into a lounger. If you want to get out of the sun, take a little nap with this nice big hardtop, you're going to be more than able to do that. And underneath there, you have another self-draining cooler. Under here, a little more storage, maybe put a life jacket, and you have a portable cooler. But while I'm on the port side, let's take a look at this head, Addy. Great size. Great size. I think Sailfish does a good job utilizing all the space. You got rod holders right here, rocket launchers up here, speakers. You have the nice lighting at night. Live well back here. And I think that's just about to wrap it up. So if you have any questions about this boat or any other boat in my inventory, feel free to give me a call at 603-320-5524. Once again, Matt Brulette from MarineMax Danvers. Thank you very much.